Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorial. Today we want to introduce to you guys the Windows operating system command using command prompt. So let's get started. To go to the command prompt application, click the Windows tab. Type in our keyboard command prompt. As you can see here, click command prompt application. First, we're going to do the dir command. Dir command allows us to show the files under the present folder or the subdirectories of the present directory. So currently we are at the drive C under the users folder, and at the present we are at the admin folder. As we implement dir, it shows us the files under the admin folder. Now let's try to check in the graphic user interface the files that the command line interface showed us. So let's click the file manager, go to drive C, click the users folder, and in the admin. As we can see here that the graphic user interface files is the same as the command line interface showed us. cd command or change directory. Cd command simply allows us to change or go to a directory we wish to proceed. But we can only proceed to our desired directory if it is under the present folder. At the moment, we are at the admin folder and we wish to proceed at the documents. So we just implement cd documents. And in the present, we are at the documents folder. But if we want to go back to the previous folder, or for example, we want to go back to the admin folder because we want to go to the other file, then we implement cd double dot. And in the moment, at the present, we are at the admin folder and we can now go into the another files. mkdir or create directory. This command simply allows us to create a folder directory. And at the present, we are at the admin folder and we wish to create a new folder at the desktop directory. So to begin, we implement cd desktop. And at the present, we are at the desktop directory, and now we implement mkdir and the name of your newly created folder. I'll name mine as Aldin folder. Now let's check. And here's our folder. rmdir or remove directory. This command simply allows us to remove or delete a folder or a directory. As we can see, we are at the test folder under the desktop directory. And let's say we want to delete these two folders, Aldin folder 1 and Aldin folder 2. So we go to our command prompt. Since we are still at the admin directory, we need to go first to the desktop directory. So we implement cd desktop. And then we go to our test folder directory. We implement cd test folder. And now, since we are at the test folder directory, we can now delete these two folders, Aldin folder 1 and Aldin folder 2. So we implement rmdir Aldin folder 1. As you can see, it automatically deletes the Aldin folder 1. And now we delete the second folder. We implement and it deletes the second folder. Copy command. This command will allow us to copy a file from one location to another. Right now, we are in the desktop directory under the admin folder. And we say we want to copy the sample text file with the string saying hello. And the location where we want to copy paste it is into this test folder and then the Aldin folder. So we go now to our command prompt, and then we proceed to the location where we want to copy paste our sample text file. So we implement cd desktop, cd test folder, and cd Aldin folder. And now we can make the copy command and the original location of the sample text file. So C users admin desktop and the sample text file. And as you can see, it copied the sample text file with the string hello. Move command. Move command will allow us to move directly a file or a directory from one location to another. Right now, we are in the desktop directory under the admin folder. And we say we want to move the sample folder into this test folder using the command prompt. So we go to our command prompt, and then we proceed to the location where we want to move our sample folder. So we implement cd desktop and cd test folder. And now we implement the move command and the original location of a sample folder we are moving. Users admin desktop and the sample folder. And as you can see here, the sample folder is moved. Ren command or rename command. This command simply allows us to rename a directory or a file. Right now, we are in the Aldin folder under the test folder and the desktop folder. And let's say we want to rename the sample text file using the command prompt. So we go to our command prompt and proceed to the location of the sample text file. And now we can make the rename command the original name of the sample text file and the name we want to change. Let's say hello.txt. Now, so we refresh, you can see that we renamed the sample text file into hello text file. del command or delete command. This command simply allows us to delete a file. Right now, we are in the Aldin folder under the test and desktop folder. And we say we want to delete this hello text file using command prompt. So we go to our command prompt and proceed to the location of the hello text file. And now we implement the delete command and the hello text file. And as you can see, it deletes the hello text file. Exit command. This command simply allows us to exit from the command prompt. Echo command. Echo command is a command that is used to display a message. For example, echo, how are you doing? And it displays our message, how are you doing? Echo command can also add a line or display a message in a text file. So let's try. We go to cd desktop. We add a new text file. We name it new. Yes. We close because we want to add a line using our command prompt. So we implement echo hello there. And a greater than sign, meaning we want to put our message in a first line and the name of the text file. And we want to add a line again, echo how are you doing, double greater than sign, because we want to display the message in a second line and the name of the text file. Here we can use the type command. because type command is a command that is used to display the contents of a text file. So we implement type and the name of the text file, new.text. And it displays the content of the text file. First line, hello there, and the second line, how are you doing? FC command. Basically, this command compares two files and it displays the differences between them if there are any. Let's take a look in these two files under the desktop directory. In text file 1, the string says I'm Alvin, eating is my hobby, and I love seafoods. And in text file 2, the string says I'm Alvin, eating is my hobby, and I love vegetables. So we go to our command prompt and let's compare these two. We go to cd desktop and we implement the fc command, the name of the first text file, space, and the name of the second text file. And as we can see, the differences is that in file 1, I love seafoods, and in file 2, I love vegetables. Help command. This command will provide us more details about all the commands in the command prompt. So let's try to implement help command. As you can see, there are so many accessible commands in the command prompt. CLS command or clear screen command. This command will clear or clean the screen in the command prompt. So let's try to implement CLS command. And as you can see, it clears our screen in the command prompt.